What is the square root of 28? It's a little bit more than 5, so let's say it's 5.1. That's our estimate, 5.1. Let's divide now. 28 divided by 5.1. 5 goes into 28 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 1 is 5. 5.1 goes into 25 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4. 5.1 goes into 46 9 times. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 1, 9. I'm going to stop here. Our first time through, we only need 2 decimal places. So I'm going to round this up to 5.5, and this will be our quotient. Add 5.5 to our estimate, 5.1. And take half of that. Half of 1 is 0, half of 10 is 5, half of 6 is 3. So now we have a better estimate, 5.3, but I'm going to improve it by taking these steps. Let's divide 28 by 5.3. 5.3 to 28, 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 3, 15. 5.3 into 15, twice. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6. 5.3 into 44, 8 times. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 3, 24. 5.3 into 16, 3 times. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 3, 9. 5 into 10 twice. But I'm going to stop here. Our second time through, we only need 4 decimals. So get rid of this. I'm going to add to our estimate 5.3, and then take half of this. Half of 1, 0, half of 10, 5, half of 5, 2, half of 18, 9, half of 3, 1, and half of 10, 5. I'm going to round this up because I only want 4 decimals on my second time through. So now we have an even better estimate, 5.292. And I'm going to improve it by following these steps. Let's divide 5.292 into 28. 5.292 into 28, 5 times. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 9, 45. And 5 times 2, 10. 5 into 15, twice. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 9, 18. And 2 times 2, 4. 5.292 into 48, 9 times. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 9, 81. And 9 times 2, 18. 5.292 into 53, actually it goes into 5. So once. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 9, 9. And 1 times 2, 2. 5.3 into 28, 5 times. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 9, 45. And 5 times 2 is 10. Into 15, 3 will be too much, only twice. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 9, 18. And 2 times 2, 4. 5 into 48 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 9, 81. And 9 times 2, 18. One more digit once. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. And we'll stop. Now we're going to divide our quotient. We're going to add our quotient to our estimate. 5, 2, 9, 2. And take half. Half of 1, 0. Half of 10, 5. Half of 5, 2. Half of 18, 9. Half of 3, 1. Half of 10, 5. Half of 5 is 2. Half of 12 is 6. Half of 9 is 4. Half of 11 is 5. And half of 10 is 5. So let's see what we have. 5.29150264. So this is what a calculator would tell us. And this is our estimate. You can see they match. 529150264. So we're good all the way up to this digit. So we found 8 good digits, and the ninth one was bad. So you see it's very, very good, even though it's not perfect.